Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide your address on your Amazon wish list. This is an important privacy step if you're sharing your wish list with others but want to keep your personal information secure. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Wish List. This will take you to the main page where all your wish lists are displayed. Once you're on your wish list page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice three dotted lines, sometimes called a menu icon. Click on these three dots, and a small menu will pop up. From the options presented, select Manage List. This is where you can control all the settings and privacy options for your wish list, so it's an important section to familiarize yourself with. Now, within the Manage List settings, navigate to the section labeled Privacy. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the privacy options available to you. You'll have choices like Private or Shared. If you want to keep your wish list completely hidden from everyone, select Private. However, if you'd like to share it only with trusted people, you can choose Shared. This gives you control over who can view your list while keeping it away from the general public. Here's something crucial to understand about how Amazon handles your address. Even if your wish list is set to shared or public, Amazon does not directly share your full address with the people who purchase gifts for you. This is a built-in privacy measure to protect your personal information. However, to fulfill and deliver orders, Amazon may need to share your address with sellers and delivery partners. This is a standard part of the shipping process. Additionally, your address may become visible to gift purchasers through delivery updates and tracking notifications, so keep that in mind when deciding how to set your privacy options. Finally, once you've selected your preferred privacy setting, scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures all your adjustments are locked in and your wishlist privacy is updated according to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the privacy settings on your Amazon wishlist to better protect your address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.